Good morning students. Today we will read comparison of adjective part second. In first part we have read about the comparison of adjective. Okay, like adjectives I told you in adjectives have 3 degrees like positive degree, comparative and superlative degree. So in our previous lecture we have read about them. Okay, today we are going to study formation of comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Okay, today we are going to study formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Okay students, so let's see how to form its comparative and superlative degree. Okay, from the positive degree, like first see by adding. Okay, mostly adjectives are formed in superlative and comparative degree by adding er and est to the positive degree. Okay, mostly adjectives are formed in comparative and superlative degree by adding er and est to the positive degree. So let's see, like for example, rich, richer, richest. Okay, sweet, sweeter and sweetest. So student, in which you can check here, most I said that mostly adjectives are formed by adding er to comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. Okay, so you can check here rich, richer, richest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay, and many more, thick, thicker, thickest, thick, thicker, thickest. Okay, like this. So like this we can form its superlative and comparative degree by adding er and est. Okay, so second one, see, by adding r and st to the positive degree ending in e. Okay, by adding r, only r, and st to the positive degree ending in e. So let's see by the examples, like those positive degree ends in e. You have to check those positive degree ends in e. You have to add only r and st. For example, brave, pale, wise, in which in all these positive degree you can check these are ending with e. Okay, so in this rule we add only r and st. Like when we make its comparative degree we will add only r. brave, क्योंकि e तो इससे पहले से ऑलरेडी है तो we will add here only r. braver, bravest. Okay, here st only. pale, paler and palest. Okay, wise, wiser and wisest. So student, you have to understood that if positive degree ends in e, you have to add only r because e is already in this. Okay, so you have to add only r to make its comparative and st to make its superlative degree. Okay student. Okay, now let's see third rule. Okay, when the positive ends in y, and has a consonant before it, we change y into ier and iest. Okay, so let's see, when the positive ends in y and has a consonant before it, we change y into ier and iest. So let's see by the example, like happy. Okay, busy, easy. Okay, funny, pretty. You can write here pretty also. Okay student, so you can check here y before there is consonant, y before there is consonant. So we will change y into IER and IEST. So how to make it comparative? Happier. Okay, we will not write here y, we will change y into IER. Okay, happier. Then when we make it superlative, we will write here happiest. Okay, like busier, only we will add only IER, okay, in place of y, and busiest. Okay, easy, easier, and here easiest. Pretty, prettier, than prettiest. Okay student, so that's how we will make its comparative and superlative degree by adding IER and IEST in place of y. Okay, so let's see next example, next rule. Okay, this has been done, and if positive ends in y and has a vowel before it, here क्या कहा था मैंने, has a consonant before it, but here has a vowel before it, we add ER and EST. We will not change its y into IER and IEST. We will add only. Okay, we will add only ER and EST. Okay, like gray. Here you can check y before there is vowel. Y before there is vowel. So we will write here its comparative grayer. We add only. Okay, we will add only here ER. Then grayest. Okay, because we will not remove its y if there is vowel before it. Okay, gay, gayer, and gayest. So student, you have to remember this rule. Okay, so now let's see more rule. Okay, when positive degree ends with consonant, ends in consonant. Okay, when positive degree ends in consonant with vowel before it. Okay, we double the consonant. Okay, student, when positive degree ends in consonant, okay, in consonant with vowel before it, और इससे पहले क्या होना चाहिए, vowel, we double the consonant. Okay, and add ER and EST. Okay, to make its superlative and comparative degree. So let's see how. By the example, big. Okay, hot, thin. So let's see, there is consonant. Okay, these positive ending in consonant, and consonant before there is vowel, there is vowel, consonant before there is vowel. So what is the rule? We double the consonant and add er and est. So we will write here to how to make its comparative bigger. We will double the consonant. Okay, यहाँ देखो हमने G को डबल कर दिया, bigger then biggest. Okay, then we add, after that we add est and er. Okay, after doubling this consonant. Okay, hot, hotter and hottest. Okay, thin, thinner and thinnest. So student, if any positive degree ends in with consonant and there is vowel before it, so you have to double the consonant, then add er and est to make it comparative and superlative degree. Okay. Some adjectives. Some adjectives. Some adjectives sorry, we make comparative and superlative degree by adding more or most, more and most to the positive before the positive degree. Okay, before the positive degree. So student, see, we make comparative superlative degree, okay, by adding more and most before the positive degree. Okay, like see, where, like beautiful, beautiful, suitable, interesting, okay, intelligent. Okay, so these type of adjectives, okay, when we make it superlative and comparative degree, we add more and most before the positive. So these are positive degree. So how to make its comparative superlative degree? By adding more and most to the positive degree before the positive degree, like more beautiful, okay, more beautiful, and its superlative is most beautiful. Okay student, same here, more suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Okay, more interesting, and most interesting. Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. Okay, student, that's how you can make its comparative and superlative degree, okay, by adding more and most. Okay students, some adjectives don't follow any rules. Okay, listen again. Some adjectives don't follow any rules, like good, bad, late, okay, and little, much, many, old. So I said that some adjectives don't follow any rule, like this type of adjective don't follow any rules, okay. Its comparative superlative degree is different, like good, comparative degree is good, better, best, okay, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst, okay. Late, later, latest. Little, less, you can speak lesser also, okay, and least. Much, दोनों का आप लिखोगे more, its comparative more and its superlative is most. And old, older, and elder also, and oldest and eldest. Okay student, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, late, later, latest, little, less, lesser, least, much, okay, and many. Much is used for quantity, you can say quantity. Much is used for quantity and many is used for, I told you in adjective also, okay, number. Much is used for quantity and many is used for number. Then its comparative is more, okay. दोनों की comparative क्या है? More and most. Then old, older, elder, and oldest and eldest. So these are the adjectives. They don't follow any rule, okay. So I hope you understood. Good means अच्छा, better, best, okay, it's positive. These are comparative and these are superlative degree. So student, remember, okay, always remember that some adjectives like junior, senior, and inferior, superior, like this type of adjectives don't take than, okay. In place of than, they take to, okay. I repeat again, like some adjectives, I write, okay, some adjectives like senior, junior, superior, inferior, and prior take to in place of in place of than. Okay, student. Some adjectives like senior, junior, superior, inferior and prior take to in place of than. ये than की जगह क्या लेते हैं? to. When we compare, like for example, I am senior to you, कि मैं आपसे सीनियर हूँ, तो आपको इसमें इसे टू लेना पड़ेगा, देन आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सो लाइक दिस you can form, okay, it's comparative, so you have to take two only, not then. Okay, she is junior to me, he is senior to me, he is superior to me, like this. Okay, don't take two, don't take then. Okay, in this type of adjectives. Now, and we don't write double comparison. Okay, together we don't write double comparison together, like the Ganga is the most longest river in India. Okay, here you can check, student, the Ganga is the most longest river in India. Okay, so here most and longest, these are two superlative degrees, so this sentence is wrong. Okay, in place of this sentence you have to write only one superlative degree. Okay, like the Ganga is the longest river in India. Okay, the Ganga is the longest river in India. So here only one superlative degree you have to write. Don't write two superlative degree together. Okay, this sentence right and this sentence is wrong. If she is more prettier girl than her. Okay, student. So in this, she is more prettier girl than her. Okay. Here you can check, there is two comparative degree like more and prettier. So you have, this sentence is wrong. Instead of that this sentence you have to write she is prettier. Okay, she is prettier girl than her. Okay, she is prettier girl than her. I hope you understood what I want to explain. Last rule, okay, where we use elder and older. Okay, elder and eldest, we use only for persons. Person. Okay, student. Elder and eldest, we use only for person. These words are used of the same family member. these words are used of the for the family member. These words are used for the family member. Okay. Okay. Elder and eldest we use only for persons. Okay student, we only use for person. These words are used for the family members. Like you can say in your family, she is elder sister. It means आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि elder sister मतलब कि मुझसे बड़ी है. Okay, she is elder sister. Then my she is the eldest she is elder sister. इस सेंटेंस आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि ये मुझसे बड़ी है. My eldest sister आप बोल सकते हो. सॉरी, my eldest sister has gone to Mumbai, has gone to Delhi. Okay student, my eldest sister has gone to Delhi. So you can use here eldest and elder. Okay, like this. But if you want to use old and older, then old and older are used for persons and things. ये persons के लिए भी use किया जाता है और things के लिए भी. But elder and eldest only we use for person. Okay, like if you want to say she is elder than me. Okay, she is elder than me, then it means this is wrong. Instead of this sentence you have to say, okay, she is, because she is older than me. Because in elder you can't use than. If you want to use then you have to use older. Okay, अगर आप then यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो आपको older यूज़ करना पड़ेगा instead of elder. Okay, but older and oldest you can use with person and things. Like oldest के this is the oldest building in this area. This is the oldest building in this area. It means here you can check oldest because things, there is building is things, so you have to use here oldest, not eldest. Okay, this is the oldest building in this area. So this is the difference between elder and older. Okay, I hope you understood. And if you have any problem you can ask me. So whatever exercise are given related of this chapter, you have to complete all exercise. Those are given in your book. So thank you, students. Have a nice day.